welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an online skincare and makeup haul. What that means is all the stuff that I have ordered online from their respective websites. Now I have boxes here. A few of the boxes I have thrown away because the boxes were too big, and this one came in a really big bag, so I kind of just put it in a plastic bag. So if you want to know what all I have shopped, then stick around and let's get into the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the red button down below, and also the bell notification to stay notified every time I upload a video. Now let's begin with this amazing haul. Where do we start from? We're just gonna go randomly. Is the Estee Lauder illuminating powder. Estee Lauder is basically a company that I absolutely love. Like, their everything is just like beautiful, from their makeup to like skincare. It's just like so good. I only use other products and like other brands because I just love trying out new things. But if you would ask me my favorite brand in makeup and skincare, it has to be hands down like Estee Lauder. I just love it. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Just like fuck everything. Just look at the packaging. It's this like really, really beautiful like metallic rose gold with a little bit of like leopard detailing. That, and this beautiful highlighter opens up. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like, it's luxury, baby. You could like, it feels amazing just holding it. So this was from Macy's that I ordered. Now the other stuff that I ordered from Macy's are, okay, now I'm pretty sure like if you know me, you know like I would have ordered this like sooner or later. So I basically ordered the Skin ID from Clinique. I ordered the pollution-free like 24-hour hydration repair anti-pollution gel, which is a clear gel, and it's a new formulation with the cartridge that is like uneven skin texture. So I do have a little bit of like texture problem, like you see my like pores and stuff. So I ordered the blue cartridge. I haven't opened any of these babies because I'm currently trying to finish all like my skincare that I do have. This is like perfect for Bombay weather, not when I'm in the US. So yeah, this is like me stocking up on my stuff. With that, I did order my trusted, you guys know I don't really have to show you guys, I have been using this for so long. I have raved about this in every single of my videos. I am not lying. You guys know the drill. Take the Day Off Balm. This retails for 2,700 rupees in India. I know I could like buy it in India, but I mean like I always like to have my stock. So I have one behind me on the dresser, and then this is brand new for Bombay, so I'm like set. And because I spent like whatever amount of money with Clinique, they gave me a makeup pouch. It has all travel size. So this has the 72-hour moisture surge. Then it has the moisture surge like supercharged serum. Then it has the dramatically different lotion. Then it has a beautiful like lipstick. It's like a nudie pink, which is what I love. Then this travel size mascara, and then another travel size rinse off eye makeup remover. You always need makeup remover, especially when you're doing so much makeup. And then this blending like stippling brush. I'm going to Alaska this month, which I will vlog. So anyways, this is just perfect. I don't have to take any of my full-size thing. I could just like carry this with me, and my skincare is sorted. Now let's move on to Ulta. Now from Ulta, I ordered two things. No, three actually. Yeah. Like literally like two Kylie lipsticks. Like kind of like the same color shade. One is in Low Key and the other one is Charmed. So when you put them together like this, they pretty much look the same, but I can tell the difference, and that's all that matters. And I ordered the NYX Swear by It palette. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this is. For $35 you get like 40 shades. It's just so pretty. Now the next thing I'm gonna quickly get out of the way is e.l.f. I really like their brand. It's just like there are always hits and misses, but I think like e.l.f. is such a good brand. It's a drugstore. A few of the products are just like amazing. Anyway, so I ordered the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Balm. I don't know how it is. I haven't even opened it, but I'm excited to try it. And then because I will be traveling in like 2 weeks, so I wanted to pick out like smaller face brushes instead of taking like my full size. And so I picked up the stippling brush, the blending brush, and the small stipple brush. So yeah, not that you have to use it when you're traveling. I mean, you could use it whenever you want. So I was like, oh, I'm traveling, I need travel brushes. I want to scream. I want to scream so bad. So I actually wanted to order the James Charles palette from Ulta. I left it in my cart at Ulta like for I think like 15 minutes and like it was sold out. But Morphe had it and I ordered it from their website. And then this one is the 35M Boss Mood Artistry palette. I'll just quickly show you guys what the colors look like. Behold your breath. That is what it looks like. It's just pure beauty. Like I for a second thought like the NYX kind of looks the same, but I feel like not really. I mean, like they're like really different. Like, see all the turquoise that NYX has? This one doesn't have a single turquoise, and you guys must be like, really? Really? Yeah, so I haven't dipped into this, but look at how beautiful this is. Like, oh my god. Again, this one has a bunch of neutrals. I would never buy a palette that has no neutrals. Like not my thing. Like, look at the packaging, dude. Like it's beautiful. There are like lots of mattes, lots of shimmers, lots of like everything. It has a black, it has a brown, it has transition shades. Basically what I need. Has everything. Great. I love it. All done. Now, last but not the least is ColourPop. Like look at this. All of these are like 6 black eyebrow pencil. Like their Brow Boss is amazing and I go through them so quick. I actually bought 7 of them. It's 7. I love the Goof Proof #1. Number 2 is this one, and number 3 is the Anastasia, but like Anastasia, the spoolie always breaks, so I don't like to buy them anymore. This is basically what it looks like. Has a spoolie on one end. The the eyebrow pencils are extremely creamy and like super pigmented. And then I picked these 2 concealers. It's the No Filter concealer. I wasn't sure about my shade, so I ordered a medium 20 and then a light 16. This is what it looks like. I feel like both are like really light, but I like don't care because I'm just going to like highlight my face and then like use it as a primer over my eyes if it like doesn't match. I ordered their Bomb liquid liners. Oh my god, their liquid liners are insane. So yeah, one is in like a normal black, one is in like hot pink. I've been into like pink a lot. So let me just quickly show you like how beautiful this one is. And I didn't do that properly, by the way. See? Oh my god, the pigment is just crazy. And then the last but not the least, from ColourPop, I ordered a Teal and Kiss like mascara. Oh my god, they feel so sturdy. Literally, I've been into colored looks and it's like perfect for summer. I think you could like, it looks really pretty when you just do like a colored mascara and then like very basic like eyes. Do teal lashes, that would just look really pretty. So that was all from ColourPop. I'm almost coming to an end and now this is my most favorite. Look at all the stuff I have ordered from Glow Recipe. So I told you guys on my story that I wasn't a huge fan of the sleeping mask because I feel like it didn't like drastically do anything to my face. Like I didn't wake up with this beautiful glass skin, so I was like, do I really need it? I don't think so. But this baby right here, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice moisturizer is everything. I know in Bombay my skin is going to thank me. Like look at the bottle, like it's just like so pleasing to even like feel and like touch. So pretty. The smell is just beyond everything. So I have basically 2 of these, like a mother and a daughter. I've been using this currently and this is for my Bombay. Then I got the Sweet Chef. It is also from Glow Recipe. Vitamin C Serum Shot. It brightens dark spots and uneven skin tone. So yeah, anything that brightens, I need that in my life. So yeah, this gives you glass skin. It has vitamin C and ginger. I have seen Arshia. She raves about all this Sweet Chef stuff and yeah, this is what this looks like. Then the third thing from Glow Recipe is Glow Pineapple Bright serum. You guys know, like, I love everything that brightens my face and takes care of fine lines and stuff like that. This again is so cute. Wait till you guys see the packaging. You guys are gonna die. Look at it. Look at the damn bottle. Like, oh my god, I want to just like hold it and that's it. It's just like the most beautiful little like bottle I have seen, and so is this. It's super sturdy. They're all like glass, by the way, so yeah. But I mean, how many fluid ounces is this? It's like 1 fluid ounce, which is really sad. Alright guys, so that was all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was like a fun online order haul. Every time I'm like doing something on my laptop, I end up like ordering stuff online. It's like an addiction that I have, and actually I also need all of these products. Like, I hate how Glow Recipe is not in India, so I have to have it. It's beautiful, and it's also just like a brand that I really want to try and I really like, because I have been using this juice and I really like it. That's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.